Welcome to an informative session where we'll explore the role and importance of a maintenance supervisor in an organization. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to help you understand how to excel in this profession and the value it brings to your company. We'll be discussing who these individuals are, their key responsibilities, the skills they need to succeed, and why their role is critical in any business setup. Let's explore some concrete actions you can take to improve your performance, advance in your career, and increase the value you bring to your job. Let's start with defining who a maintenance supervisor is. This is an employee who oversees and manages maintenance tasks on building systems, equipment, assets, or machinery. They direct and organize all activities around building systems, equipment operations, and safe production standards. They also handle the day-to-day functioning of the machines or tools critical to organizations. They oversee, direct, and lead the work of maintenance technicians, ensuring that the company's goals are met and laws and regulations are followed. Maintenance supervisors come in different forms depending on the specific business needs. For example, a plant maintenance supervisor directs a team and maintains the operations of plant systems and equipment. A building maintenance supervisor oversees technicians responsible for the daily upkeep and operations of a building. A facilities maintenance supervisor manages a team that handles minor maintenance and engineering tasks. And a public works maintenance supervisor leads technicians in maintaining public fleet vehicles and city maintenance activities. Now let's discuss the key responsibilities of maintenance supervisors. They plan and organize technician tasks, ensure health, safety, and other regulations are followed, manage preventive maintenance systems, oversee maintenance staff, and hire and train new technicians. Successful maintenance supervisors possess a mix of management, technical, and people skills. They exhibit leadership, have strong analytical skills, manage their time effectively, have technical experience, can step in and assist wherever is needed, are good judges of character, are extremely organized, are problem solvers, foster a positive work environment, and have a firm handle on occupational safety and health administration guidelines. It's also beneficial for maintenance supervisors to be certified. Certifications like the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician, Certified Master Technician, and HVACR certification can help build a strong, experienced, and well-trained team. If you're planning on hiring a maintenance supervisor, consider asking questions that evaluate operational and situational expertise, specific role knowledge, and behavioral or coaching style. For example, how do they typically assign tasks to subordinates? How do they ensure that instructions are understood and followed? Are they familiar with ISO standards? What is their understanding of preventive maintenance regulation? Can they describe how they've successfully coached a subordinate? Can they share a maintenance problem and how they solved it? Whether a business needs a maintenance supervisor depends on their specific needs, management structure, and employee development process. In small companies, a maintenance technician might work directly with the owner or president of the organization. In mid-sized or larger companies, a maintenance supervisor may oversee, develop, and manage one or more technicians. In conclusion, maintenance supervisors play a critical role in all companies and organizations. They ensure systems and assets are running well and offer abundant career opportunities in different industries. Developing management, technical, and people skills through training, certification, and experiences is the key for ongoing success. And that wraps up our discussion on the role and importance of maintenance supervisors. We hope you found this information valuable and that it helps you in your journey, whether you're a current maintenance supervisor looking to enhance your skills or a company seeking to hire one. Remember, the key concepts we discussed today are the roles and responsibilities of maintenance supervisors, the skills they need to succeed, and the importance of certifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And if you want to learn more about how UpKeep can help you and your team, please visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.